For the people that don't know, you can also create website content. Let's say that you have a company that is doing your blogs. What they will do is exactly what I will show you here. So let's say in my business, I will need to have blogs about business automation. So I will go to the prompt and I will write here, create a list of 50 blog post titles our company specializes in business automation. And now ChatGPT will provide you a list of 50 titles for your blogs, okay? And you will see it in a second. So that will be step number 1. Step number 2, whenever I will receive it, ChatGPT is sometimes a little bit slow, not slow like that, you know, just slow. So let's say that I got here this list of 50 titles. And now, look at that. You will copy this list of 50 titles. You will save it somewhere. And then you create the following. Create a SEO friendly blog of 500 words on the topic, and I just pasted this topic. Okay, create the blog title, description, and the content. Crazy, right? And now soon you will see that I will receive the SEO title, SEO description, and if you don't know what I'm saying, it's fine. And you will get also the content of the blog. Okay, you have the blog title, the blog description, and the content. And that's awesome. Okay, and this is how you create those 50 blogs. You load them into your WordPress, you schedule them every 3 days, and now your content start to run on your website. The way that my company is doing it, we're doing it halfway. So we are producing the titles, we are producing the content, and then a human will go over it and will refine the message and will insert also call to actions and so on. So it's not exactly that this solution will solve all the problems in your life, but it's relatively close to it. Like to hear more about Zoho CRM and ChatGPT extension? Click here for the full episode.